And we're back! Do you remember how much fun we had with the Egypt travel box? Now the holidays have come, so we have got another Wanderquest box. It's all about Japan, so let's begin. Do you know how we greet in Japanese? Konnichiwa. Do you know what else is Japanese? Sumo wrestlers, ninjas, sushis, and lots of other amazing things. Wait! Should we explore the Wanderquest box? Oh yeah, that's a great idea. Let's open. Wow, there's a book about Japan. There's so many activities. Let's read about Japan. This is the flag of Japan. See, Japan is an island. The capital of Japan is Tokyo. This is the national dress of Japan. Did you know Mount Fuji is the highest mountain in Japan? Did you know there are 200 volcanoes in Japan? And did you know 60 of them are active? I would love to go to Japan to eat the square watermelons. So here's a Wanderquest treasure hunt. You have to solve these clues and get closer to your treasure. Then here's Kakuru. Here a kite that they make in Japan. Here's a samurai. You have to color it in. And my favorite, Sudoku. So in Sudoku, from 2 to 2, blocks must include all numbers from 1 to 4 only once. Like, there's no 3 here, so 3 will come here. Now there's no 2 in this line, so 2 will come in this line. Now there's a 2, 1, 3, but there's no 4 here. So a 4 will come, but there's still no 1. So now a 1 will come here. I'm really excited for the origami corner bookmarks and the volcano making. We are halfway through with the volcano. We need an adult to supervise us during making the dough. Like Didi helped us here in making the dough. We are almost completed. Now we just have to paint. So now I put the baking soda. Now we put in some kind of water that is mixed with paint and some more ingredients inside the volcano, and now it's going to erupt. We had lots of fun with the Japan box. If you want, you can get your own from the www.wanderquest.in. Don't forget to subscribe on our channel. Bye!